I just washed my face, so I'm going to show you guys how I do my hair. Putting some foaming mousse around my hair. Just massaging that in there. It all makes sense, don't worry. I'm just going to comb it around. And as I'm combing, I'm kind of styling it at the same time. I'm also going to take a bit of gel and just apply it to the front and the sides and a little bit on the back. I wanted to show you guys the waves up close. So I like to comb it out like that and then just comb it back like that. And like that. And then a cute little sideburn right over here. Sorry for my crazy eyes. Same thing on this side as well. I'm just going to finish it off with some hairspray. Wrap it up. We're done. And you just set it and forget it and do your skincare, your makeup, and all that fun stuff. I just got product in my ears. Gross.
Final results.